Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, right in front of the Aria Hotel and Casino. I stayed this trip at the Flamingo, but I had a comp room at the Aria, which is a video that you're probably going to see if you haven't seen it yet, coming soon here on the New York channel. In any event, I'm going to head back in there and show you guys around the Aria, so come along with me. Let's check it out, shall we? That tram you see heading towards the left of your screen is the Aria Express tram. It's an elevated track connecting the Bellagio, Vidara, Park MGM, the Shops at Crystals, and of course Aria. And like all trams here on the Las Vegas Strip, the Aria Express tram is free of cost, not to be confused with the Las Vegas monorail that connects from the Sahara all the way up north on the Strip to the MGM Grand. That one does come with a cost. The Aria is located in the city center complex and it's pushed back quite a bit from the main area of the Las Vegas Strip. It's owned by the Blackstone Group and operated by MGM Resorts International. Construction began in 2006 and Aria received a LEED Gold certification for its environmentally friendly design, and it's the largest hotel in the world to achieve such a feat. It was among the most technically advanced hotels in the world at the time of its opening in December 2009. Like I said, I had a comped room here, and that video is available here on the New York channel if you'd like to see the room and pool here at the Aria. And I will tell you, the room was very smart, if you will. It knew when you were coming and going and opened the drapes and closed them and the lights and things like that. Very technologically advanced. There are a couple restaurants at the Aria right here off the reception area. This is also the area where you can get into the Shops at Crystals, another separate video here on the New York channel, very high-end mall. Some of the restaurants you'll find here include Catch. It's bringing you epic renditions of Asian-influenced sushi, seafood, and steak. I love the entrance to Catch, great photo opportunity. Also here is Julian Serrano's Tapa, small plates loading guest palates with delectable interpretations of his native Spanish fare. This is the lobby bar. If you were going to catch me having a nice cocktail martini or something like that, you would probably find it here. There are about 5, maybe 6 places that I really like to have a good cocktail here in town, and the lobby bar is one of them. Also piano entertainment in the evening. You'll find all the makings for a memorable Mexican meal at Javier's with unique architectural elements like a spectacularly detailed chainsaw wood carving with an Aztec motif. This is the Gem Bar, I guess getting its name from that fancy schmancy light fixture overhead. This is Posh Burger, a newer burger joint here on the Las Vegas Strip. Perhaps a third burger challenge on the New York channel is in order. I'll probably visit it next time I'm in town, but they have burgers such as the Lip Smacker, Aria's spin on a classic which includes a single patty with ketchup, mustard, onions, and pickles. Guests can also indulge in a truffle burger, spicy buffalo fried chicken sandwich, or the impossible vegetarian burger. Another good photo opportunity. This is Aria's poker room. This is Aria's Sportsbook with its Moneyline Pizza and Bar, one of the nicer sports books here on the Las Vegas Strip.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
This is Blossom, which delivers the triumphs of Chinese cuisine. This is Lemongrass. I love Thai food. Here you can stick with a familiar spicy pad Thai or be adventurous with wok-tossed live Maine lobster infused with the flavor of green curry. Nigori sake and watermelon smash make for a refreshing side to complement the spicy flavors of Thai food. Here we have Alibi Ultra Lounge. It celebrates the perfect convergence of premium spirits, imaginative ingredients, and highly stylized opulence. This is Din Tai Fung, the go-to dining destination for steamed dumplings and noodles, some of my favorites, and they now offer takeout. This is the lift bar, called that probably because it's located right next to the elevator lobby. These are the elevators that I took to get up to that beautiful room in that beautiful tower. And here we have the Aria Patisserie, where everything you crave is handcrafted daily with the freshest seasonal ingredients. Lots of shopping downstairs as well as upstairs, as you'll soon see here at the Aria. And don't forget, the Shops at Crystals is connected to this building as well. Very high-end merchandise. Aria's hotel includes 2 curvilinear glass towers rising to 50 stories. The hotel has 4,004 rooms and suites and is a recipient of the AAA 5 Diamond Award and 5-star rating from Forbes Travel Guide. The 150,000 square foot gaming area includes gaming machines that are controlled and monitored by a 3,000 square foot data center and are changed to play the most popular games based on real-time data collected about the performance of each machine. That's right, the games change depending upon what's being played. I told you this place was smart. Exterior windows are present along the edges of the casino floor, and skylights are part of the ceiling in the high-limit gaming area, differing from traditional casino designs which are historically omitting natural light. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. That long corridor you just saw leads to the pool and spa. Again, that video is available here now on the New York channel. Here we have Salt and Ivy, a cafe and patio bar that provides a casual dining experience with indoor and outdoor seating, outdoor of course being around the pool. This area here has 3 high-end restaurants at the Aria. This is Bardo Brasserie, prepare to be reintroduced to classic French cuisine with a twist only Chef Michael Mina could bring. This is John George Steakhouse, so much more than steak. If you're craving Kobe A5, arguably the best beef in the world, they have it, but the offerings extend far beyond a simple steak. This is Carbone's timeless Italian cuisine, the celebrated concept from Mario Carbone, Rich Teresi, and Jeff Zelaznik plays homage to Italian-American restaurants from the mid-20th century, an era of glamour, showmanship, and tableside service. As you can see, all these slot machines are basically just video monitors attached to computers, and as I said earlier, the main computer here at the Aria Casino can switch a machine from, let's say, Heidi's Beer House to a Dragon Link machine at any given moment, as long as no one's playing it, of course, as the data seems fit. Pretty darn intelligent. Yo, dude, where did that chili fire machine go that we were playing yesterday?
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.